Welcome to Anyways Tech Review. We will talking now installing roblox. We will tell you how to install roblox on your Windows computer. Roblox can be installed two ways. One is from the Microsoft Store, which is the cheapest one, the most easiest way to install my roblox. The other one will be installed. I will be here in this video. We'll talk about how to install it from Microsoft Store, which is the easiest method to install roblox. Microsoft Store has more than 1 million applications, so even if you know 1 million, it's cost 1 million. Microsoft doesn't announce officially. There is also too many apps these days, so too many upcoming apps as well. So let's type here worldbox and you'll get worldbox. You can either search quickly worldbox and get it, or let's say click worldbox directly. Once you click it, click on install. I just want to just forget about this warning. Let's install it, hit install and download it. Yeah, alright. Remember, make sure it's always been updated to make it running. Other than that, there's no issue. And we can wait about and see the pages. We just said what would compare reviews. And this is guys, thanks for watching. Anyway, take please like, subscribe, comment, share, and have a nice day. Otherwise, it's 100 MB just to download this application, so I'll be ending this video. And the future videos I'll play these games and download different games. We have Circus and Roblox games. Write that in the comments. I'll put the making of multiple videos about Roblox. There will be so many videos, so many upcoming fun videos, including episode 2 of the web browser. Let's compare web browser series. Obviously, this is the main series I established, and the series should be continuing for the next few years. And I'm planning to make too many videos. I'm targeting 100 videos per every 3 months, which is my new target. Even though I'm not going to be successfully doing that, I guess. It's just a hope that I can achieve 100 videos per 3 months. So 3 months means 90 days. So 1 video to 2 videos per day or more than that. I think goes shorts and video together. So anyway, tech will be continuing to be posting more videos, and please consider subscribing to Anime Tech View and have a nice day. Thank you for subscribing to Anime Tech View and have a nice day.